What a way the video hot! So you should all be in a good vibe. Let's see where you can go tonight to keep that vibe going. Here's the intense party listing.
Streets self-explanatory. You don't know dancehall culture, Jamaican culture in a secured environment. You know, it's gonna be at Ochi for the second time. Cause Ochi our place, big up Ochi. You know, and you know you come on musical content on point, entertainment, the torches. You know, with sponsors giving us great bucket deals from like Guineas and stuff like that. So. Nice. It's a nice party atmosphere.
All about the premium pasta experience. It's 10 chefs, 20 dishes, one purpose. We're supporting the Diabetes Association of Jamaica. Nice. We're gonna have a wide range of pasta dishes, including lamb, chicken, octopus, seafood medley, curry goat, corn pork, all of those things infused into pasta dishes.
Where is it going to be held and when?
It's at the Constant Spring Golf Club this Sunday, June 25th. It's the only place to be. Gates open at 3 p.m. closes at 10. Just come out and have a good time.
Exotic Child is having our first of many backyard barbecues this upcoming June 30th. It's just a little small admission of $300, and for every patron you get discounts off jewelry because we are a jewelry boutique.
Nice.
And we'll have great foods. So everyone should come out.
So remind us of the number to call and also the date of the event.
The number to call is 876-590-8262, and it's June 30th and every Friday after that.
This is the 4th staging of Strictly Addy, and of course each year it gets way better than the last one. Nice. So we're back at Sugarman's Beach tonight, and it's just a lot of surprises tonight. Mark, you want to talk about the DJs?
Well, we have DJ Chrome, Heavy, Lengdy, and Johnny Cool.
Well, at this time all the pre-sold tickets are finished. Nice. So it's $2,000 at the gate. So Sugarman's Beach just encouraging everybody to come out and have a great time. Straight cartel music all night, and it's an event that you have to experience for yourself.
Chev and one of his angels with me, and they're going to tell us about heaven. So what's going on?
Well, this is an all-white event. It's on the 30th of June. It's a fun-filled event. It's a day and night event. We have so many things to offer. We have bingo party in the day.
Nice.
You can come and get your jerk chicken, roast fish, steamed fish, fried fish. So if you get too drunk, you can eat, recover, drink some water, and get ready to go again for in the night.
Okay.
In the night now, we're going to have some of the finest DJs from Spanish Town and the best mobile sound right now. That is D-Max. We're going to have DJs like Skinny Flex, DJ John Smokey, I myself, DJ Chemist might give you something off of the finger them. You see me I say?
Nice.
But the party I got hot, me I tell you.
Of course, it's all about partying intensely but drinking responsibly.